Good morning, good morning. Here we are, 6:30 a.m. on time. Thank you, Mandela. And today's
Woohoo! Yay!
have you been to bed yet?
I've been up all. No, yes, of course I have. I'm getting used to it again. That's what it is. Getting used to the time.
Yeah. So today we just want to talk about Bitcoin, and So just to put you on the spot. I don't know if you've got your charts already, but let's have a look at Bitcoin. Let's run through some of the news and some of the factors that might be pushing the price up, and also just some things to be cautious of.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it up right now. One thing I should have said yesterday, which is be careful shorting an all-time high as well.
Yeah, for sure.
Because I think some people, they see an all-time high and they think that's the green light to start going short.
But we don't know if that's the high, right? Trying to guess
that's it.
Trying to guess the tops, trying to guess the bottoms can be pretty tricky. But
yeah.
So we did get a pullback yesterday. Then I think we were talking about a pullback.
This was yesterday evening time. So when we did our show yesterday, we had a show yesterday morning. We were somewhere around here. Yeah, this was yesterday morning time.
Right. And we got up to almost 94. So that's incredible, right?
Yeah. That's, 93. Like, this is, I don't think anybody really was looking for this this week. But we got
probably this year. It's been incredible. Yeah, since the election, it's really pushed through.
Yeah,
and I just think where should we start? So I think just the expectation of a softer US monetary policy that's probably going to come in, especially with Musk now being the head of Doge. Yeah, and there's going to be potential interest rate cut in the US. I think it's just making Bitcoin a lot more appealing as a inflation hedge and alternative investment. So, you can see gold's been pushing down, and I can see perhaps some of the money being pushed into crypto. So, to have a good news story yesterday, I'm just going to read it out. Received a message yesterday from a friend of mine. I won't call him out, but he just said to me, yeah, thanks, bro. My portfolio, I'm enjoying a 43% growth on crypto. So 43%.
Yes. Oh my goodness, that is incredible.
So I'm going to message him later and just tell him, just don't be greedy. Take out some profit. Enjoy. Take the misses out. Do something with it, right? But no, it's great. 43%. Yeah, really happy for him. That's fantastic. So, but he's got mixed choice. He's got Bitcoin, Pepe, Bit, XRP, Ethereum, Doge, Terra Classic, and Terra 2. And he's looking to buy some SHIB today. So he's on it. Fair play to him.
Nice. I saw Pepe. I wanted to just have a quick look at Pepe. It went mental yesterday, I think.
Yeah. So
let's have a quick look.
On Pepe stock, we're up 60%. So
so you have Pepe as well. You have Pepe.
Yeah. So 60%. Nice. I'll just quickly go through it now. So XRP.
Yep. XRP is looking good.
Yeah, 5% on XRP. We're 60% on Pepe. Doge, we are 7%.
Look at this. This is crazy.
Yeah,
it's up 12. Jeez.
And everything else ends around 3%. So, it's great. And yeah, just need to follow my old advice and take some profit.
Yeah, I think that it makes sense to take profit, at least a partial profit here, because these moves are just. It reminds me of the good old days, where you just wake up and everything is just green. Yeah. I don't have Pepe, but I looked at the percentages, and the last few days it's just been outperforming all the other crypto that I have on my list.
Yeah, no, it's insane, and it's like the good old days, right? Walking into work with that crypto confidence.
Yeah. Like, look, you don't talk to me today, Mr. Boss Man.
Yeah, why you late? Watch your mouth.
Yeah, it's starting to come back. Which, to be fair, now that kind of worries me because I mean, I feel like we're still potentially in the early stages. But when you start getting people leaving jobs to trade crypto, that's usually when we're near the top. I don't think we're there yet. We're not there yet, though, right? Please tell me no. But no, it's great. It's great to see. I think it shows that there are cycles, and we went through a very painful down cycle, range cycle, and now we've kind of emerged through it, and looking back on it on the other side is a good feeling.
Yeah, like I said yesterday, I just think it's well deserved for everyone. So that was great. I'm just looking at ES or S&P this morning for.
Oh yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a look at that.
Short position on that. So.
Are you in? Are you in?
I am. 1 sec.
Oh wow. Okay. That was quick. Were you in before the show?
Yeah, about 5 minutes before.
Okay. I was gonna say you're like a ninja.
Yeah, so here we are. So yeah, we're up $100 so far. Yeah, well, 75. So yeah, I can see what I got in around here. I'd like to see a break just through this bottom leg here, and potentially I might get a stop into break even. We're gonna pull back here, and I've got my take profit one at 5999, and the take profit two at 5985. So yeah, this could be a bit of a slow burn. Probably gonna let this trade play out, but yeah, I'd like to see. Yes, we've got the trend line in here. A little bit of support here. I'd like to see us break through that level, and I'll get the stop into break even if we get down to this level. So yeah, I think this trade could take a couple of hours to play out. So yeah, so that's what I'm trading this morning. So we can come back to that. So let's get back to Bitcoin. So the only thing I'm a little bit cautious of, there is a decrease in ETFs, which is, could give a shift in institutional sentiment. So I'd be a little bit careful with that. And the markets are sensitive, to any development. So we could see large sell-offs from whales or investors, which could have an adverse effect. But at the moment, Bitcoin to 100k, what we saying? What are you thinking?
I'm thinking we could also see a large sell-off from people in Wales as well. We got to think about that. That is a possibility.
Yeah, so the Wales Institutes, they could do a nice dump and just get our price back down to around 75k. But I don't know. I think we might see another push up. I think we're still in the Bitcoin hype, right? So it will attract new money, and I think once that volume dries up, then we might see the price drop down. So yeah, we'll see what happens.
I think it'll be interesting. It'll be interesting to see kind of where we go from here. We probably have another leg higher, I would say, around between now and the end of the year, now in January. Just putting it out there. It's not a certainty, but as you've pointed out before, there also could be some violent pullbacks before the next leg.
Yeah, sure. Can you pull the chart back up? Should I have a look again?
Yeah, sure. There we go. So it's kind of pausing overnight. I got the Asian range here. But yeah, we've moved up from yesterday. We were here somewhere. Yesterday's show, we were down here. And then we moved up. This was Monday's show, I think. Monday's show was here, yeah.
Be interesting to see if we test that latest Asian range box, the box you got in. There's a nice support leg there, and potentially could get a pull back to that. If we broke through that level, we could be looking back down to that 61.8 that I mentioned yesterday.
Yeah.
So for myself, it seems to be consolidated nicely within that Asian range. As a trader, I probably wouldn't be looking to get in now. I'd probably be looking for a break. That that's strong resistance on that all-time high, right? You can see we got a double top. Came back up to test that. It's
I
pushed
see
down
that
quite
one.
nicely.
Yeah, so this is the double top here, 1, and then 2.
Yeah.
Didn't quite make it, and then that's a big one.
Yeah.
Do you still look at imbalances?
Yeah, I just took the words right out of my mouth. So we've got a bit of a liquidity void there, right? So, yeah. Yes, we're gonna.
Would it be from here to here?
That's right. Yeah. So.
Yeah. Okay. There we go.
We got an imbalance there. So potentially, we could retest that. Yeah. Fill up that liquidity void before we get the push up or down. Can you go to the 4 hour for me?
Yeah, sure. Let's see if I can 4 hour. Okay, 1 second.
Yes, you can see we got the
this one?
Yes. Let's have a quick look at this. Yeah, it's where we got that. So what I'd say now we've zoomed out, it's a little bit more clear. So we can see the imbalance between the 61.8 and the 50%.
Yeah. So these bad boys here?
Yeah. So that there's an imbalance there. So potentially we could see a pullback to those levels, but it's crypto, right? So
yeah,
who knows? But I'd be erring on the side of caution. And yeah, if you are a crypto holder, just get your stop, get your nice profitable stop in, and I would definitely be looking to take partial profits. But that's a trading point of view. If I was just holding crypto, it's not eating, it's not drinking, right? So I'd be potentially just going to hold on to it until you accumulate 1 Bitcoin.
Yeah, no, that's a great way to play. I think I did get in here, and that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm still holding. I think if we start to come back down through the Asian range, then I'm definitely looking to take some profits off the table here, Andrew. Now that I haven't actually looked at this in a while, but that's a decent run.
Yeah, no, it's great, and I'd be putting my stop just below that 50% level.
Somewhere around here.
Yeah, somewhere around there. Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's fair. It could run. It could maybe get a tick up here, just to take out all the bears or the shorts stop losses. And maybe that's also another possibility for exit. I would probably exit if we do get up here. I may take a little bit of like a partial profit, maybe 50% or 33%.
Yeah, but we're still in good momentum, right? So there's still good news coming out from the US. We're starting to get people put into jobs as well. So far it's been received well. I think everyone's been received well, apart from the new defense secretary. I don't know what they call him in the US. Yeah, he's an ex-anchor from Fox News, but he is an ex-Marine, ex-service guy. So I can imagine he knows his stuff. But just be mindful as they put people into jobs. But yeah, if they put the right people into jobs, we could see another push up. So I'll put my neck on the line. I wouldn't be surprised if we do see 100k and then we see the pullback.
100k would be great, Andrew. I would definitely take profit out there. Up there, I should say. The momentum is there. I also wanted to just mention, usually as we get towards the Christmas time, end of the year, we usually do see upward surprises. Particularly back, I think it was around the time that we started looking at crypto. It's like the seasonality thing where I think people are in good spirits. Some people want to make their portfolios look better before year end, and you just get this sort of craze phase where it just melts up. So that's a possibility. Maybe 100k, like around the time people are getting ready to leave work and go on their Christmas holiday. But that's not that far away, really.
Yeah, and I think so. And I can imagine the crypto bros going to be enjoy Christmas dinner this year around the table, right?
Yes, they will. Yes, they will. Yeah. Crypto bros
Yeah,
is hilarious, man. I would you consider yourself a crypto bro?
yeah, they would actually. Yeah,
Self-proclaimed. No, no,
yeah.
I agree. I agree.
I'd
I
be
agree.
wearing my Bitcoin Christmas jumper this year. But yeah, that. So just looking at your last Asian range, there's a nice rejection off the bottom there as well, mind.
This one,
Yeah,
right in
yes,
here? Yeah.
yes. The price is rejected nicely off that, so that could be the pullback. So yeah, it could be some interesting times ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't trade crypto. I just think it's too volatile, and it can react pretty quick to the news, right? But
Yes. Yes.
yeah, it's a fantastic price. So anyone holding, again, congratulations, it's well deserved. But
I agree.
I think we just have got a balance in liquidity, and we could see that fill before we get the next push up.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. I'm just gonna pop in here. I know there was a previous all-time high. I think we did. Was it 60K? It's not even coming up on the screen, Andrew. Where were we? I think yeah. Anyway, the point is, it's just moved extremely high.
Yeah, no, it's been great, and again, I do expect a strong dollar next year, but I think that might just affect things like gold, silver, etc. Crypto's got its own cycle; it does its own thing, and I think regardless of what what fiat's doing, if people are buying it, I don't know, stronger dollar could be more money put into crypto.
Yeah. Yeah, it could very well be. Yeah.
Yeah, so people have more dollars in their pocket and more money to invest. So and yeah, it is the hedge against inflation, right? So it's it's outperforming gold, I think, like 10-1, right? And gold's done really well this year, but it just can't keep up with Bitcoin.
Yeah. And I think that's a good sign. It's a great comparison to make. Like if you want to have that higher return, then I think, especially for those who are on the sidelines, really just look at it from your own perspective. I still hear from people, even like professionals, they're like, no, I don't think that the government is going to allow crypto to be successful. I don't think the banks are going to allow crypto to be successful, and they're deciding not to invest. And that, for me, it makes me want to put more in and go harder, swing for the fences, because if they're not adopting it and they're not in it yet, it's still potentially early days.
Yes, they've been saying that from day one. So crypto. Okay, Bitcoin was a scam at $500. Bitcoin's definitely a scam at $1,000, $10,000. Stay away from Bitcoin. And here we are pushing 90K. So, I think companies like BlackRock, etc., they're probably the most heavily invested into Bitcoin. Yeah, and just going from what Trump's been saying as well, about making the US the crypto haven. So I know a few countries got plans of that, and just imagine now being the president of El Salvador. He took a massive risk, didn't he? All in on Bitcoin.
Yeah, and oh my gosh, I forgot about him. He is that was a very, very ballsy decision.
Yeah,
but look at it now.
Yeah, it's really paying off. And we got some nice move on the S&P as well, so we're starting to push.
Okay,
down.
I wanted to just before we go, I just wanted to show this line right here in the sand, which is around 74K. Yeah. That was the all-time high, and we've basically left that behind.
Look how far away that looks now. We were jumping up and down 74K, and here we are up in the late 80s.
Yeah.
So
all right, this is S&P. Looks like it's breaking down a bit. So you're long or short? You're short.
I'm short on this. Yeah.
It's moving in your. I'm not going to say what it's doing. I'm not going to say, because last time I said it didn't help.
Yeah, we got a nice trend down. If you just look at the chart, you can just see we got higher high, lower low, lower low, lower low, and a lower low. No, lower low.
down here.
Yeah, so probably
Lower highs as well.
Yeah, if we can break that Asian range, probably going to jump out at your 23.6 level.
Yeah, so somewhere down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the lower lows. For anybody playing along at home, these are the lower lows Andrew was referring to. So the lower low here. It's a good sign.
Yes. So I just want us to break through 6,005 or 6,006. If we can break through that level, this trade's looking quite favourable for me. So I'll just
6,005. Sorry.
I'll quickly share the screen now.
Oh, you're on the futures, obviously.
Yeah. So you have.
Yeah. I'm like, what? What am I missing?
Yeah. So
crazy.
yeah, I'd like us to break through this level here. Break through this level. Potentially, we could see a move down to my take profit one. And yeah, if we can get here, I'll get that stop into break even, and I got an aggressive target down here of 5985, and yeah, that's all right, you know. Yeah, so let's see what we can do. So yeah, looking at this level here, and I'm actually just trialing something out for somebody as well. So it's a little bit swap of the strategy. And I'll probably run through it on Monday.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll probably have a lie-in tomorrow. No show tomorrow, and we'll get back to live trading on Monday, and also cover Bitcoin. But so back to Bitcoin. I'm on the fence. So sometimes if it's too good to be true, it normally is, and I'm a big believer in that. But I really am enjoying these pushes up, especially all the altcoins as well. So because there's so much money to be made in altcoins, so you can get in on your Pepe, your Lunks. You can buy a couple of thousand at a time, right? And then if you're sitting on them and they go up, that's fantastic with Bitcoin. But the great thing about Bitcoin is you don't have to buy 1.5 or a quarter. You can buy like 0.01, so you can get in and get those moves.
Mm-hmm.
So that's fantastic.
Yeah.
So do you have any news for us today?
Let me not say yes right away. Here we go. All right, we are in the game. Okay, so not a whole lot today. Yesterday was the CPI. Actually, we can just touch on that quickly. So we called out CPI on Monday, and we got it yesterday. So it was expected to be 0.3%, and it was exactly 3%. The actual was 0.3%, which is good. Inflation is as expected, month over month, compared to September. And then this is the next big one. This was core. This is, I guess, the standard, or they call it the headline. Month over month was 0.2 expected, 0.2 actual. Great. And then lastly, for year over year, we were expecting 2.6. Yay, 2.6. So I think initially the reaction was a little bit US dollar down initially, I believe. And then throughout the day, it kind of just seesawed, especially the S&P. Didn't really move in the end. If we have a quick look, because we also like to look at what the reactions are after the news. Let's see here. Okay, just gonna pull it up really quickly. So we got the news, would have been here before the market opened. This is S&P yesterday. So initial move was not much. We went down, we touched the pre-market low. We went up, touched the pre-market high, went down. This is the opening range. We got to do an opening range session, Andrew, at some point.
Yeah, definitely.
But yeah,
sure.
Yeah. So yeah, this was yesterday. So no real conviction. We finished at the previous close, which happened to be the previous day's close. and maybe today is where we get a little bit of a push in either direction. Also, make sure we remember that the all-time highs for S&P are not that far away, just above 6,000. Let's do last. I know this is the news segment. So for today, looking for the 3 stars. We have initial jobless claims coming out at 1:30 London time, and that's going to be 9:30 over in the lovely place of Bermuda, and 8:30 for those of you who are on the East Coast in cities like New York. Also get PPI, which is Producers Price Index, which is basically inflation for producers. That's also coming out at the exact same time, 1:30. And it's expected to increase by 0.2%. Crude oil inventories, not really a big crude oil trader, but that is for anybody who is looking at getting into trading oil. That's at 4 p.m. London time. And that's it for today, I think. We got the chairman of the Federal Reserve, Mr. Jerome Powell himself. He comes out at 8 p.m. London time with his speech. So that could move things around a bit. I think that's it for today, Andrew.
Yeah, hopefully I'll be out of my trade by then. So yeah, just going back to the S&P trade I've got. So you can see I just marked this level in here while he was going through the news. So I was looking through for a break of this area. So we just tested it at that at the moment. We run in 2112 in profit. And yeah, if we can break this level, we could see a push down to take profit 1. What we'll do if we get down to this level here, yeah, we'll get that stop into break even, and yeah, I'll be looking for a push down to this 5985 level. So that's my take profit 2. I might just take us up to $1,000. That's a good day, right? So
that's a very good day.
Yeah, so I'll be happy with that. But yeah, we can see now we're starting to push through, or we tested this level for sure. And what have we got? Just over a minute to go, so the next candle will be quite key. And yeah, we can see we're breaking that level. So yeah, if we get an open below this level here, hopefully we're going to see a push down to our take profit 1. So yeah, that'll be quite good. I'll probably jump out at $1,000, and that'll be it for today. So what have you got going on today, Mandela? What's happening in the world of London?
So I'm glad that you asked that, Andrew. So I've started kind of mentoring other traders. I find that it helps to just talk about trading with people who are either just starting out or looking to improve. So I have a few sessions today. Started going to the gym, which is very therapeutic. And it's getting easier every time I go. And that was fun.
I'm still waiting for my jumper in the post.
The jumper that yes, the one that I wear to the gym. So for anybody who doesn't know, which is probably most people, it's a Yes jumper. Actually, you know what? I could find it. If you just go on to I'm gonna pull it up now, Andrew, while we're live on air.
So one thing we will be looking at is as well as offering trading, we are going to be offering some nice trading merch as well from Signature FX. And come with some different logos.
Okay, here we go. I got the picture here. I got the picture. There we go. That's the picture there. That's the jumper. So it's in a mirror, so it's reversed, but it just says yes. It's yes. That's all it is.
Yeah, we're gonna be offering them at a good price as well. So if you like the hat, you like the jumper, hoodies, anything you want, just let us know. And yeah, on our web, we'll be updating our website soon. And as you can see, Mandela's going to be the model. Yes. So
we have a very low budget. So or no, let's say no budget.
Yeah. So I'm good. I'm good for modeling gloves and socks. That's about it. So
you have good hands, I think. Good hands.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah. So yesterday, I want to tell you, yesterday I played football. They have a football group here in London. And so I played and I actually scored a goal. I'm very excited to tell my son when he wakes up that I scored a goal. And I had 3 assists. So I know what you're thinking. I know you're thinking these other players must be terrible, but that is not the case.
Yes. So what are you in now? Like the over 40s league, or?
It was young people. So it's a first come first serve. You sign up on an app called Spund.
Not Grindr.
And sorry. No, not that one. So apparently the wait list yesterday had at least 25 people on it. And it's all different ages. So I think the youngest person was probably in their early 20s. And then there was 1 or 2 guys older than me. And it was really nice. It was cold, very cold. I had my Nikki Wells jersey on. So I was channeling the Nikki Wells football skills. But anyway, that was yesterday. For today, hopefully, maybe we get some trading opportunities. And if you'd like, Andrew, I'm not sure if you're available today, but maybe we just have a look at S&P this afternoon, if you have the time.
I haven't today, but if you want to jump on, feel free. But I won't say your boy's name, but when I get some time, I'm actually going to put a bet on that he represents Bermuda.
Yeah. Thank you for that.
So,
that would be great. He does like it. Yeah. He enjoys football. He definitely enjoys football.
So I'm going to see if I can actually put a bet on to see if he represents Bermuda by the time he's like 21, and tell him I'll split the profit with him, and I'll buy him a Ronaldo shirt. So
right. He would love that. He would absolutely love that.
So S&P, we've opened bang on that level. So I don't want to be too cautious, but you know what I'm like. Whenever I trade on YouTube, I'm super cautious.
I give you kudos. I give you nothing but respect for doing that, Andrew. Really, honestly, it's not easy. But you make it look effortless.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, best way to explain it is I just put this as you and I having a chat, and if people watch, they watch, and I just ignore. Ignore the comments, anything is too constructive in a negative way. But if you do want to comment, please comment. Reach out to us if you want any help trading. Like Mandela said, he's doing some mentorship now in the week. So you can reach out to Mandela, and we seem to be breaking. That price. So I would like to see a push down to this level here. Let's have a quick look what our take profit level would be. So that's 565. So I'd be happy with that. I'm just gonna put it at $1,000. Yeah, that'll cover any expenses, any spread, etc. So so I'm short on the S&P or ES, as they call it, on futures, and I'm looking to get my stop into break even around this level and take profit here. So that's it for myself. I don't know if you've got anything else you'd like to cover.
I think that's it from me today. We're going to take tomorrow's Capital Preservation Friday. So we'll take the day to preserve our capital.
Yeah, definitely. So if I get this take profit, I'll reward myself with a bit of a lay-in. So where am I at? Okay. So I'm happy with this trade. It's looking good. I'll update you tomorrow where we're at, but we're 262 in profit at the moment. And I'll definitely be back Monday at 6 o'clock trading live for those who want to have a look at our futures trades. But so far so good. I'd like to see this candle, the next candle now, open below this level here. And happy trading for those who's watching, and I'm going to call it a day, and I'll go and get myself a coffee and some breakfast.
Oh, fantastic.
Oh, quickly,
Fantastic.
What tea are you drinking today?
I'm having this lovely fresh Welsh tea.
It's the best tea.
It is so delicious. I would recommend it for anyone. Yeah, if you're looking for a good tea to have, it's got a nice sort of crisp flavor to it, very smooth as well. And yeah, anybody who wants it, like, just reach out to us, contact us. We don't bite, and we're here to help.
Yeah, so everything's for sale. So you want hoodies, you want tea, coffee, patio furniture, just reach out to us. We can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't need any other sponsors. We are the sponsors, I guess. We could,
Yeah, if anyone's watching, you'd like to sponsor the show, feel free to reach out to one of us, and we can certainly talk about that. So yeah, we do it nicely now. We're getting that break below that. This is what I wanted to see. Yeah, around the $300 profit. So yeah,
you got in at a great point. I'm just looking at this. You got in before the breakout, and now it's great.
Yeah,
I'm just watching from the sidelines, smiling. That's all.
Yeah, happy with this trade. Potentially we could see a pullback, right? But yes, pushing down nicely down to our take profit level 1. So yeah, if I can get to this level, I'll get that stop into break even, and yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, that's it from me. I'm gonna end the stream. Yeah, thanks for watching. Happy trading. Be safe. If you're trading crypto, be careful. And we'll see you all on Monday morning.
Cheers.
Excellent. Thanks, Mandela. I'll see you soon.
Thanks, Andrew.